sa dessert.
Okay, sige, sige.
So, I'll give you the dessert na first class, but still the ingredients are hindi ganun ka-expensive.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be making pala, this is chocolate mint baked Alaska. Okay, so first we'll make the cookie crust, or yung pinaka-base ng baked Alaska. So I have here a cup of chocolate wafers. So, there you go. So we'll crush our chocolate chip wafers. Okay, so finely crushed na siya using our food processor.
Ganyan kapino.
Exactly, kasi parang i-compact natin yun.
Okay.
Then we have here, that's why it's chocolate kasi we have a cup of chocolate chips.
Okay.
So, here we're melting it sa double boiler. Kasi para hindi masunog ang chocolate.
Alright.
So, they just need a gentle heat to melt. So, there you go. And then, syempre, para may kakaibang twist ang dessert natin, hindi lang purely chocolate, lalagyan natin ng mint. Make sure yung mint extract natin is edible.
Mabango nga. One drop. That's just one drop?
One drop.
Yeah.
Tapos, add na natin yung wafer crumbs.
Oh, mix it all in.
All in. Oops. Mix lang natin siya until maging fine pasty siya that we can mold it into our bowl. So, ayan, we'll press it into our cup na I aligned it with a cling wrap. Then I'll need the ice cream. So, ayan, mag-scoop lang tayo ng ice cream and then hulog lang natin siya. Then we'll
it doesn't have to be a perfect ganyan scoop.
Oh, exactly. Hindi siya pang commercial. So, yan. So, we'll press it like that. So, freezer na siya. Yan. So, meringue is basically egg whites. So, I have 5 egg whites here. And then I have cream of tartar. So, we'll whip it using an electric mixer. Kasi, pag ginamit mo ang iyong braso, lalaki yan. Kailangan
hindi pantay, no?
Oh, exactly. So, we'll just whip it. And then slowly we'll add a teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Okay.
We have 1/4 cup here na slowly drizzle. I'll show you in a while ano yung sticky. So here, okay, this one is soft peaks pa. Pag inaangat ko siya, nagkakaroon siya little bit of mountain, pero yung tip niya, bumabagsak pa rin.
Okay, so hindi pa tapos yan?
Hindi pa. You wanna try?
Sige.
Ayan, so habang whip ni Ryan yung ating meringue or egg whites, here, nakita ko, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung finished product ng ating cookie crust and ice cream. Okay, so I think this is enough. Sige, turn it off. Ayan.
Ayan.
So, stiff peaks na siya. Then, we put it in a pastry bag. Because underneath is a star tip. Actually, for the decoration purposes lang to, you can do it simply by putting the meringue all over the ice cream cake.
Icing to?
Icing na to. Ito yung tawag nilang royal icing. We'll line our ice cream cake with the meringue. So, paikot lang yan.
And then the icing's gonna harden? Ganun ba yun?
The icing's gonna be parang just perfect for serving.
As in, so ang consistency niya talaga, merengue talaga.
Merengue talaga. Let's put all over. Parang may paint job lang siya na...
Can I do it with the spatula?
Of course. Ayan.
Just dunk it on top.
Exactly. Ayan. So, ito, we'll bake it for 5 minutes.
5 minutes lang?
405 Fahrenheit. Very high heat, then very, very, very quick.
Okay.
Lulutuin lang natin yung egg white. So, we have here strawberries na fresh frozen. Any fruit, actually any fruit you can use. Raspberries, mangoes, bananas. So, I'll just spoon maybe 3 tablespoons.
Wow.
Let it heat through. Tapos, a little bit of sugar para mag-caramelize. Then, a zest of orange. Balat lang, pero yung may color lang. Kasi,
not the white part.
Not the white one. The white one, they call it the pit, which is the bitter one. So, ayan, makikita yan, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng water dito kasi yung juices from the strawberries, it comes out.
It smells good.
It becomes a syrup. So, para hindi siya all sweetness and strawberry flavor, we'll put a little bit of orange juice. So, our strawberry coulis is ready. I think after 5 minutes, ready na rin yung baked talaga.
Okay.
Check na natin. Ganda naman sound effects. Ayun!
Yay!
So, makikita mo, yung heat from the oven, it kind of burned the meringue to form its crust, tsaka to secure the coolness of the icing. But look, it's melting for a bit, pero it's the same. It will still taste good. Pero, ang padagdag, para yung sides kasi hindi masyado nag-melt. So,
Okay. Just to hold it in.
Yeah, just to hold it in.
Hoy, kontra magnanakaw ulit, oh.
Ayun.
Ganda yan, oh, pag
There you
nagmumotor,
go.
nakasukbit sa likod.
And then, syempre, we'll pour in our strawberry coulis.
Oh.
So,
Oh my,
yan.
ay.
And then, syempre, for added presentation, lagay na natin orange. Ayan. Woo! This is our chocolate chip mint cake, Alaska.
Okay na.
I think,
Husgahan na natin to.
husgahan na agad.
Okay.
Hindi na ito papalagpasin.
Anim.
Sana pumasa at least sa pagiging classy and sophisticated niya.
The mint makes it,
Interesting.
Makes it interesting. Tapos mainit-init.
Mainit, tapos biglang sa loob niya malamig.
Malamig, oh. Panalo yun, subo yun.